Hey, welcome back everybody. You're listening to Ultimate Affiliate Marketing. I am your host. It's Paul Motley here. And, well, Friday rolled around real quick. The weeks are going so fast. I can't believe it. We're into October. We've got Halloween at the end of the month, if we're allowed to celebrate it. We've got, over in the UK, we have Guy Fawkes Night, again, if we're allowed to celebrate it. And then maybe Christmas, I don't know, again, if we're allowed to celebrate it. But I just wanted to touch on something because if you've been following the podcast for a while, you'll know what I've been doing over the last couple of weeks with this experiment that I've been running. And I don't want to keep beating on the drum about it, but it's important because if you listen to the episodes, you follow along, you're going to get some golden knowledge that is, it's not just if you're launching your own product, but also you can use the same process to launch, for when there's an affiliate launch going on. So that's not your own product and you can earn commissions from it, which is ultimately what we all want to do as affiliate marketers. So I just want to sort of go over what's been happening. I decided that I was going to test something out using Facebook ads because Facebook ads have been ridiculously expensive recently. And I started learning about something and I applied it, and then it's got some fantastic results. And I was managing to get leads, not just clicks, I'm talking about actual email leads into my business for, on average, for about 10 cents, 11 cents it was, which is about, 10 to 15 times cheaper than what people are normally paying for clicks. So, that's pretty good in my book, right? So it was a last minute thing. I decided, right, maybe I should get this into other people's hands as well. Maybe other people could benefit from it. So I did a training, put it together, and then I posted it out on Facebook. And what I found was that I think there's been like 16, 17 people bought it already, which is great. But I thought, right, I'm going to use this as a method that I would do normally with affiliate marketing and stuff like that. So I decided that today, Friday, was going to be the last day that it was available, and that if it was ever available again, then I will make it 3 times more. So it will go from $97 to $297, and that's the sort of like the figure I've decided. On the back end, anyone that purchases can become an affiliate. So next time, if I do decide to launch it again, then those people are going to be able to get a 50% commission, which is about $150 per sale, which isn't a bad gig, right? So, that's not bad going. So it was only really through Facebook that I was actually putting it out there. And a couple of days ago, I decided I should really send this out to my list as well. This is crazy. Why am I not sending it out to my list? So I started doing it. And the lessons that I've learned from it is that to get higher conversions, what I should have done was actually warmed my list up to the idea in the first place. So maybe before, I think I did the training. I think I launched it on Sunday of last week. So literally 5 days ago. But what I maybe should have done, I did the recording and it was uploaded the following day, right? So that was a great way to make a product after you start getting paid to do it, right? Because it just made sense. I thought, I'm not going to go and spend all my time making a product that no one wants. So you're actually getting paid beforehand, which is one of those crazy things in the world. But I thought, right, what would I do differently? What would I do to maximize the conversions? And I thought, what I figured was maybe if I decide to do this again and I decide to relaunch it, or launch any product, or even promote a product, then my email list really needs to start to get warmed up, right? So maybe like a week before, or even a few days before, start scheduling out emails talking about the topic itself, talking about the problems that people have, and then after a couple of days, alluding to a solution, which of course then points to what we have got today. And of course, no matter what size your email list is, you can segment that list down to people that are more interested. And I did something which was quite interesting today, which was I sent out an email to a segment of my email list based on an email that I'd sent out yesterday. So let me just explain so it's not confusing. I sent the email talking about the actual product and what it delivers and everything else yesterday. And then today, I created a segment out of my entire email list of people that not only opened the email, but also clicked the link. So those are the people that are most interested. Out of everyone that saw the email in their inbox, everyone that actually opened the email, the people that actually clicked on the link, they are the most interested. So today the follow-up email went out, and something pretty incredible happened. When people talk about open rates and click rates and all that sort of thing with email and saying that, oh, email's dead and blah, blah, blah. Well, I'm going to tell you something now. When you are targeting, when you are focused down, when you are segmenting, you can get incredible open rates. I mean, I've had so far on that email a 56% open rate, 56%, and a click rate of 46%. So nearly 1 in 2 people which got sent that email actually then went ahead and clicked to the offer. Right, and that is, pretty outstanding. So anyway, long story short, this is how you can actually build your affiliate business, because you want to make sure that you are not only collecting targeted leads on the front end, building your email list, but also then when you have an offer, you can then target those people which are most interested in getting it. These are the people that you want to work with. These are the people that are most likely to purchase going forward. And if you are using an affiliate product, then throw in some extra bonuses to encourage the click, to encourage the sale. And follow up, thank them. Why not? Afterwards, thank them very much that they took the time to read through what you had to say, because ultimately going forward, when you have something else that's of interest, maybe it's a related product or service coming along, then guess what? Those people might be more interested in that, and they might go ahead and purchase that instead of the first thing if they didn't purchase in the first place. So anyway, so that is kind of like how it stands at the moment. The price for the actual training that I did is going to increase tomorrow, and if I decide to launch it again, then it's going to be opened up to affiliates which have made the purchase initially at 50% from the 297. So it's a win-win all round, because that is how you can then expand your reach by using affiliates for your own products or services. Because ultimately, I might only have a certain amount of reach, but I could tap into a couple of people which have got an incredible reach, and their audience already like and trust what they've got to say and will go and buy stuff on their recommendation. And that's how we make things work going forward. And if you are developing a product, make sure you have your own affiliate products on the back end which help people get the result that you promised them in the first place. It's just basic stuff, guys, but I just want to make sure that you understand it and you follow along. And again, if this is your first time listening, then make sure you hit the subscribe button. I do these podcasts every single day. We've been going now. This is like going to be getting up to 140 episodes, over 10,000 downloads. You guys are amazing. I totally appreciate you guys listening in on this. So anyway, let's get ready for the weekend, and I'll catch up with you again tomorrow.